Zeke wouldn't stop moving around, so I went and grabbed his water buffalo horn that we got him for Christmas. He grabbed that bad mamma jamma. He made his mom make some room between her legs. He backed right in.
And then he moved.
And then he just moved.
Because we were filming.
Here, buddy. Look.
Come here.
He loves his water buffalo horn. And he feels safe inside his mom's legs. And then he'll use her ankle as a headrest. He'll chew this bone until he gets so tired that he can't stand, and then he'll lay his head right there and plop down and go to sleep. Or he'll make his mom hold the horn like that, and he'll just work it for about 30-45 minutes until he's panting, because he ain't breathing. He's just steady chewing.
Right now, it's Sign Then Drive with Hewlett Volkswagen. Off I-35 in Westinghouse or HewlettBW.com. You've been hurt in a car wreck? We want to be your law firm. Our team works hard each and every day to give you the best experience possible.
His bottom lip curls around. So cute when he chews. He says, Dad, come on now. That makes me my bone.
Hey, buddy. I'm a stickler for good dental care. Me too.
This camera gets really good quality.
But even if we take care of our teeth, we can still get, no, please don't say it, a big dental bill.
Boy, you done worked the tip of that thing. I mean, you about done worked all the way through it. You got some strong freaking jaw muscles in there. I hate to get bit by you.
He doesn't pay attention to where he is on
Yeah,
the bed.
he's literally about to just fall right off the bed because he's not even paying attention that he's that close to the bed. Good thing Mommy's got a leg up to block you, because you're just going to fall right off the edge.